Hey, what is going on everyone? This is Mist here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Tile Mate 2020. I've been researching on a bunch of different tile options that are available outside, basically the ones that are powered with low energy Bluetooth, and one of the popular ones is Tile. Like most of you already know, Tile occupies over 90% of the market share currently, and since Apple is thinking about coming up with their own solution to this, I thought it'll be a good time to go ahead and unbox the Tile. Looking at the Tile itself, you can see this is a 4-pack, and there's not really that much information on the box itself, so let's go ahead and open this up. It's a pretty seamless unboxing, as you can see. Basically a booklet style packaging where you can see that there's some documentation behind the leaflet and probably the tiles over on the right side. So here we have the 4 tiles. Now the difference between these tiles and the ones that were available prior to 2020 and the Tile Mate 2018 is that these are actually replaceable batteries, and so if the battery within the tiles do get exhausted, then you can replace them yourself, versus previously you would have to recycle the tiles, and it would be basically a waste of money because you're going to have to replace the tiles every now and then. So let's go ahead and look at what else comes in the box in terms of documentation. There's not really that much to begin with. It's just a warranty and how to use guide, and that's pretty much about it. So looking at one of the tiles, you can see that this is a very small form factor. I have pretty big hands, but this is a very substantially smaller tile. As you can see, comparing it to my phone up here, this is a very small percentage of the iPhone 10. And so it's very similar to the previous tiles, except the fact that there's a replaceable battery here now. And we can see that it takes the CR1632 batteries, which are fairly common, and you can find them at any pharmaceutical store or anything like that. You can pretty much walk into a CVS and just buy these. So that's pretty much about it for the unboxing, guys. Since this is a very simple product and the use case is very similar to most of the other tracking devices out there, there's not really that much surprises up here. I'll also be trying to see how the crowdsourcing capabilities work, which is basically if I set my tile as lost, then if somebody else has their own tile, their application would be able to update the location of my tile anonymously, and I'll be able to see where exactly it is. And so that's pretty much about all the features there are in Tile. Again, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It really helps me out. And apart from that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.